Good morning, just finished 10-kilometer run. So we are going to visit Sembawang Park. This is somewhere around the Sembawang Air Base perimeter. So let's go in and explore. So you can see, even COVID, everybody is not wearing masks and cycling in slowly. So it seems to be like resumed to normal already. So there's a need to do safe entry, but nobody is checking, so never mind. I still do just in case. Okay, checking. So welcome to Sembawang Park. The place has changed a lot. Now it's full of greeneries. Very nice park. So everybody queuing up to soak their legs into the hot spring. So there's a lot of sitting area, so the people can carry their pail and soak their legs inside. Okay, so this is the original hot spring well. It's now under conservation already, so you're not able to access anymore. Okay, so now we are there. They will boil the egg. Roti 70 degrees Celsius. So he's preparing the 3-minute egg. Hello.
Well prepared.
Well prepared. Oh, that's nice.
I forgot to bring the bread.
Oh, the bread, alamak. Have to go to Champa and buy. Okay, have a good weekend.
Okay.
Yep, it's so lively in the Sembawang Park hot spring. Okay, so besides the hot spring, there are a lot of greeneries around hot spring. Oh, look at the water. Water seems to be steaming also. Okay, time to go out. So this place has stabilized and the whole place looks very nice. Yep, my wife will love this place because there's a lot of flowers.
Careful, let people around. Slow down, slow down.
Different type of flowers. Okay, just if you're not aware, previously I don't think there's a toilet around here, but now they have built a toilet. So for those people who come here, you can see the toilet in the facility near the cafe. It's a very small toilet, and the cafe is just here. So we have come to the end of the tour to the Sembawang Hot Spring Park. Okay, it's a very small park and there's no car park around this area. So if you want to come, you will have to walk from all the way from Chompang camp, the Chompang market, or the HDB, and walk over here. It's